Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
(2023) Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. First look, new color update. Kawasaki Motors has updated the new colors for the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX 2023, that will be ready for sale soon during July 15, 2022. For the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX 2023, still uses the engine size 1043cc, DOHC 4-stroke, 4-valve, parallel, 4-cylinder, liquid-cooled, producing 141 horsepower or 104 kilowatts at 10,000 rev, minute and maximum torque of 111 newtons. Meters at 8,000 revolutions per minute, 6-speed transmission, which is considered a model of Kawasaki's sport touring motorcycle that was launched in April 2020 last. Recently, this time the camp has made a major update from the previous generation Kawasaki Ninja 1000. By upgrading to focus on equipment various electronic zone controls, not only does it have a driving mode, there is also automatic speed control and quick gear changes. All lighting systems are LED, TFT LCD panel, color display, can be connected to a smartphone via Bluetooth. For the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX 2023 launched a new color update for 2023 that will be available in two new colors, red and green. It was released for sale at a price of 1,595,000 yen.